It's a lazy, lazy day at the Valley Guy house. You girls are lazy.
I know.
Lazy.
We just got home, too.
Hours ago.
Yeah, I don't know, an hour?
You guys gonna do anything today but watch TV? I think I need you guys to go out and mow the lawn.
No. Okay.
Well, tired of the laziness of laying around the house. Gonna go out and do something. It's time to wash the car. I got the hose out. I got the bucket full of water. I got the sponges ready. And now it's time to get out there and wash this car. Because I'm not lazy. Screw it, for $8. I'll let them do it. I'm gonna be lazy. Clean the back of the car. You got it, Leo, too?
Yeah.
Alright, get it clean. Oh, something puked all over the windows. Well, the car is all clean, and but I gotta do the vacuuming. If there was only a way I could find someone to vacuum my car and they thought it was fun. Is this fun?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll go vacuum.
I have to find the switch.
Find the switch. Is it fun? Is it fun? Hard work. Wow. That was tiring. I gotta go home and take a nap. What about you?
I just want to lay down and watch TV.
Gotta love having kids.